everyone! Welcome to our channel. I am CINTIA PRATAMA from English Department 2018, Universitas Riau. So, in this opportunity, I would like to tell you and practice with you all how to pronounce A and E in English. So, keep on watching!
Common spelling patterns 1.1. A mostly occurs after a consonant or by itself at the end of a straight syllable. Now, let's see the example on the box. Able, baby, table, radio, favor, crazy, paper, April, data, lazy, agent, angel, major, nature, labor, razor. 1.2. A occurs after a consonant or between two consonants at the end of a straight syllable. Now, let's see the example on the box. Fail, paid, late, wait, mail, rain, made, main, tailor, daisy, daily, raisin, explain, remain, complain. B. Identify the sound. Number 1, nature. Number 3, face. Number 4, wave. Number 6, airmail. Number 8, baseball. Number 9, apple. Number 10, flame. Number 12, break. Number 15, angel. Number 16, paint. Number 17, says. Number 18, eight. Number 19, plane. Number 23, cradle. Number 24, snail. Common spelling patterns 2.1. A occurs mostly before a consonant or between consonants in a straight syllable. Now, let's see the example on the box. Cap, lab, cap, map, bag, flag, bag, snack, jam, lamp, man, can, bag, dad, bag, sack, cash, crash, catch, match, bath, path, letter, radar, shall, pal, thank, angel, class, task, jazz, taxi. Number 1, fan. Number 2, lampshade. Number 3, mama. Number 7, candy. Number 12, set. Number 16, rap. Number 20, piano.
Okay guys, I think that's all from me. I hope that you can understand and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!